we really need to be looking after our skin just as we do our body and our clothes. We need to be looking at what's really going on underneath the skin at a cellular level. So today I'm going to talk about my honest opinion and review of Nuvane. Did you know that our skin ages at a cellular level? Not the level that we can see in the mirror. There's a process called senescence. See, as we get older, what's really surprised, some of our skin cells actually stop dividing, but they don't die. They sit there as clutter, releasing inflammatory signals that damage the tissue all around them. That is one of the visible signs of aging. Skin that feels thinner, loss of collagen, lack of firmness, skin that looks duller, lack of volume, lack of elasticity. This is the problem that Nuvane was built to solve. Nuvane was created by the team that's behind MD Algorithms, and they spent over 30 years building AI-powered dermatological tools. It's not a new brand. It's not one that's just launched with a pretty little bottle and a few peptides put in. They offer an AI-driven, personalised skincare solution. So there's an online quiz, you answer the questions, then there's advanced AI that analyses your results. And from there, recommends a routine to you. The system works around a morning vitamin C. Now I want you to look at this vitamin C because vitamin C needs to be absolutely clear. And if you look, this is absolutely clear. There's no yellowing there. If you ever see vitamin C that's yellow, that's gone off, don't use it. It's in a dark bottle. It's exactly how it should be to be kept so as it doesn't spoil. It's a very thin, watery consistency as well, not one of those sticky, slimy serums. So the vitamin C in the morning, underneath your moisturiser, you use your own moisturiser, your SPF, and your foundation and so on, and get on with your day. At nighttime is a personalised nighttime treatment. And on top of that, there is oral collagen powder, a scoop a day to take. Now everything's built around a proprietary peptide complex called CNOP3. Now my kit arrived from the brand, and out of curiosity, I then went and did the online quiz. Now the online quiz suggested that I would want to try Retinol, but the cream in my box was a night treatment called Bakuchiol, not Retinol. It's a plant-derived ingredient that works in a similar way to Retinol. Apparently there are comparable skin renewing effects. The collagen stimulation, the texture improvement, the cellular turnover support, but without irritation, without flaking, without the sensitivity that some may get with a retinol. And no need for that adjustment period if you're new to retinol. It's gentler, but doing a similar job. So let's have a look at the products in more detail. The watery vitamin C is the form that uses THT ascorbate. It's a lipid-soluble vitamin C that's considered more stable than traditional ascorbic acid and generally well tolerated on the skin. Paired with copper peptides, niacinamide, bakuchiol, and marine algae. Layers beautifully. I apply it, follow my usual moisturiser and then my SPF, and it sits well under everything without pilling. And this is the Bakuchiol night cream, combined with CNOP3, marine algae and vitamin E. The other formulations in the range are retinol at 0.3% and retinol at 0.6%. All three are built around CNOP3. And then this is the marine collagen. It's a powder, and 1 scoop is all you need a day. Coffee, morning cereal is the way I'm taking it. It's hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides types 1 and 3 from wild-caught deep sea cod combined with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So you're supporting the skin from the inside as well as the outside. I love the principle of the surface of the topical treatments combined with the inner treatment. In coffee, it's invisible. Cannot taste it. But now here's the science bit. I'm not a scientist, is what I've been told. The CNOP3 is a triple peptide complex. 3 different peptides that work together to target cellular aging, not just the visible symptoms, but the underlying cause. The first is palmitoyl tripeptide 38. It's a matrixyl type peptide, and this signals to the skin to produce more collagen types 1, 3 and 4, as well as elastane, hyaluronic acid and fibromectin. Think of these as the structural scaffolding that gives the skin its firmness and its bounce. So this peptide signals to start building it again. The second is copper tripeptide 1. And this is one of the most studied peptides in dermatology apparently, researched for decades. It works to activate skin stem cells, supports skin density, boosts antioxidant defense, and is associated with improved skin repair. And the third is acetylhexapeptide 8. Now this works by reducing the neurotransmitter signals that lead to repetitive muscle contractions. So over time and with consistent use, the appearance of expression lines can soften. Not overnight. What's compelling is that they're working through 3 different pathways. And the coffee still tastes good. Now the formula was put through a 12-week IRB approved clinical trial, and it's worth sharing, I think, what the study found. In the trial, 92% of participants reported noticeably smoother, more refined skin with reduced pore visibility. Over 86% saw visible softening of the fine lines and crow's feet, and 84% showed improvement in skin firmness and density. So that's 3 steps across my day. My honest experience. I haven't been using this long enough for results. What I can tell you is my skin is tolerating it, and there have been products in the past I've tried my skin has not tolerated. Love the morning serum. Love the fact it's a clear liquid. Clear, runny liquid, easy to put on, not sticky. But there's no tingling, no tightness, no redness, no flakiness. It doesn't feel drying on my skin. So this vitamin C is fitting very nicely into my routine with my skin feeling supple and fresh. Now the Bakuchiol cream, this is the interesting one. Again, my skin's tolerating it. There's no flakiness, there's no irritation. It's easy to put on. It's all I need to put on at night. But here's the interesting part. Retinol increases the skin's sensitivity to UV. So I have traditionally dropped retinol in the summer because you have to be very disciplined with SPF. The Bakuchiol is giving me the same collagen stimulation, skin renewing action without that sun sensitivity. So for me, someone who wants to carry on working on her skin through the summer months, that's a great alternative. Very happy with that solution. But if you've been putting off starting say a retinol regime because you've got concerns over sensitivity or dryness or flakiness, maybe this is the Bakuchiol is a solution for you. And as for the collagen powder, well, I have 1 coffee a day, a scoop in, perfect, matches my routine perfectly. So who is this for? I think it's for anybody who wants to seriously think about their longer game with their skin. Maybe they've given up on skincare, want to revisit it. Maybe they've now got issues with their current skincare. Maybe their skin's changed and they want to try something new. It's particularly useful perhaps for somebody who's found retinol irritating. Maybe it's for someone who wants to simplify their routine. 2 products here, but that's simple, isn't it? But also another advantage is you don't have to. If you've got a lovely moisturiser you use, you're not giving up on that. I'll leave my link in the description box for you below so you can try this. Have a look at the website, take the quiz for yourself. Leave in the comments what the quiz results were for you.